How are you, ma? 10th class children. Good evening, all of you. How did you write the exam? Did you check the answers? Did you check the answers? Hope I thought that you will check the answers. You checked the answers. See, now yesterday we discussed what are polynomials. What is the introduction of the polynomials? Yesterday we discussed. Today we will see the degree of the polynomial. How to find the degree of the polynomial? How to find the degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. See here, how to find the degree of a monomial. For example, monomial. This is a monomial. See, 5x y square z square. See, this is a monomial. If a polynomial having single term, one term we call it as monomial. What is the degree for this one? The sum of the exponents. The sum of the exponents is the degree of this monomial. What is the sum? 1 plus 2 plus 2. So 5 is the degree of this monomial. How to find the degree of a polynomial? Before going to degree of a polynomial, see 2x plus 3. What is the degree of this one? Variable we have only x. So the degree is 1. So if the degree is 1, we call it as linear polynomial. We call it as linear polynomial. If the degree is 3x square plus 2x plus 4. Now see here the degree of this polynomial. Here the degree is 2, here the 1, here there is no degree. So the highest degree of the polynomial is the degree of that particular highest degree of the term. Highest degree of any term is the degree of that particular polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. What is the degree here? 2. So degree is 2. We call it as quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 2. If the degree is 2, we call it as quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 3, see here 4x cube plus 5x square plus 2x plus 3. See here, here the degree is 3. Highest degree we have to take. Here 2, here 1, here there is no degree. The degree of the constant is always 0. We will discuss later that one. See here the degree is 3. So we call it as cubic polynomial. If the degree is 1, linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 3, cubic polynomial. Now how to find the degree of the polynomials? The highest degree of the polynomial is the degree of that particular polynomial. See examples how to find the degree. 2x square y cube 2x square 2x square y cube plus 3x square z cube plus 4x power 4 y power 4. Now see, for this term the degree is 5. If you add the exponents, here also 5, here 8. So which is the highest? 8 is the highest. That's why the degree of this complete polynomial is, we have to take the highest degree. That is, the degree of this polynomial is 8. See one more example for this degree of a polynomial. 2x square y plus 5x plus 6x square. See, what is the degree of this one? 3. What is the degree of this term? 1. Here 2. Which is the highest degree? 3 is the highest degree. So for this entire polynomial, the degree of the polynomial is 3. That means highest degree we have to take. We have to take the highest degree. Then Second one, value of a polynomial. Next we have to discuss the value of a polynomial. How to discuss the value of a polynomial? Value of a polynomial. If p of x is a polynomial in x terms, if k is any real number, if you replace that x by k, then we'll get some values. Those are the values of a polynomial. See, for example, what I told you, p of x is equal to, the polynomial will be in x terms. So, 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is the polynomial in x terms. If x is equals to 1, so p of 1 is equals to, instead of x you have to place 1. 3 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 only. Instead of x we have to place 1. Next 5. So p of 1 is equal to 1 square 1 only, 3 into 1, 4 into 1 plus 5. So 3 ones are 3 plus 4 plus 5, that total 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 12. P of 1 is equal to 12. Next, if they asked you to find out P of 2, P of 3, we can find, no? See here, P of x is equals to 3x square plus 4x plus 5. See, instead of x, you have to write 2, p of 2. That is the value of a polynomial. We are changing the values of x. P of 2 is equals to 3 into, instead of x you write 2. 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 5. See, 3 into 2 square means 4 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 5. So 12 plus 8 plus 5, that is 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So P of 2, the value of P of 2 is 25. Next, P of 3, that means you have to write, in place of x you have to fulfill the 3. First of all, P of x is equal to 3x square. Same polynomial you have to write, instead of x you have to write 3. You have to replace this x by 3. 3x square plus 4x plus 5. See here, 3x square means 3 square. 3 square plus 4 into 3 plus 5. Instead of x we are replacing 3. See, 3 into 3 3s 9 plus 4 in 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 plus 5. So 27 plus 12 plus 5. How much? 27 plus 12. 39. 39 plus 5. 39. 44. So P of 3 is equals to 44. This is the value of a polynomial. Now we discussed about the degree of a polynomial and value of a polynomial. Okay. Next we'll see the zero of a polynomial. What is zero of a polynomial? Zero of a polynomial means if the variable of the x, if the variable in a polynomial gives the value 0, then we call it as zero of a polynomial. See, we'll see here, zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial means, see, for example, P of x is equals to x square minus 4x plus 3. You have to find out P of 0, comma P of 1, comma P of 2, comma P of 3. When these values become 0, then the value of then the x values are known as 0 of a polynomial. If you see the example, you will understand. See, p of first one, p of 0. Instead of x, you place 0. 0 square minus 4 into 0 plus 3. That is equal to, this is 0 minus 0 plus 3. P of 0 is equal to 3. So, this is not a 0 of a polynomial. Next, p of 1 you take. P of 1. So, x square. 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 3. So, 1 minus 4 plus 3. So, plus 1 minus 1 plus 3 plus 1, 4 minus 4. So, it becomes 0. P of 1 is equals to 0. When the values become 0, then this x value is known as 0 of a polynomial. Next, we will see P of 2. P of x is equals to x square minus 4x plus 3. You put P of 2. 2 you keep. X square. 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3. Instead of x we are putting 2. This one we are finding now. 4 minus 4 to 8 plus 3. That is equal to plus 4 plus 3 plus 7. So, different values. So, we have to write minus. Subtraction we have to do. Before bigger number minus is there. So, minus 1. P of 2 we got minus 1. Next, last one you see. P of 3. P of x is equals to x square minus 4x plus 3. That is equal to P of 3. 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3. So, 9, 3 square minus 4 3s are 12 plus 3. Plus 3 plus 9, 12. Minus 12, that is equal to 0. So, P of 3 is equal to 0. P of 1 is equals to 0. So, x is equals to 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 are the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomials. If P of x is equals to 0, then the x values 1 comma 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, thank you.